Get noticed in this 2010 Dodge Challenger. If you're looking for a first-rate auto, this one could be yours today. A low odometer reading makes this vehicle a great value at this price. In the city or on the highway, you'll spend less time at the pump with this fuel-efficient vehicle. With a solid 6-cylinder engine that responds smoothly to its 5-speed automatic transmission, this vehicle qualifies for our free Super Guarantee Autos Vehicle Warranty Program. Buy a vehicle and get a free warranty from us, only at everycarlisted.com. Premium wheels give a more luxurious look. You will appreciate the safety feature of anti-lock brakes. Carfax is offered to provide you with peace of mind. Call today to schedule a test drive.